Hey everybody, welcome back. Another day, and yes, another video on multi-bit toolkits. Today is an interesting one. We have two kits today, and I'm doing them together because they're kind of the same thing from Harbor Freight and their Icon line, and these are nice kits. What we have here first up is the locking flex head ratchet set. This is a 35-piece set, and the interesting thing is it has 35 pieces in here, most of them being bits, but we have an interesting ratchet in here instead of a screwdriver. But we can make it act like a screwdriver because it has this interesting handle and it has this interesting extension. The extension can do many things. It can be an extension to the handle to make it a longer tool. If you want to put any bit you want, grab a Phillips head bit and put it through, and we have a ratcheting Phillips head. Now if we wanted to make this an extension, we can put the bit in like so, and we have an extension, and we can move along like that. Now we can also put it back in the bottom end, and we can put the bit on the bottom end. And when we have the bit in the bottom end, it actually is like a screwdriver like we used before. Now this is a little more delicate, and you're going to say, well, I don't have enough torque here. Well, if you need more torque, they got you covered there, because if you notice how I had it in as an extension, if we put this back through and then put the bit here, what we have is a T-handle, and that will give you the torque. So between T-handle, regular ratchet, okay, so if we want just a regular ratchet, we can use it as a regular ratchet, or we can extend it to get more torque. So you have a lot of options here, and it is a flex head. You can take and hit this little button here and flex it. So you can be like this now, and it's still ratcheting. So you still can ratchet. So it has quite a bit of options with this device. Now everything else in this kit is just bits, and there's, if it's a 35-piece kit, I'm going to say there's 33 bits in here. I'm not going to sit here and read them all to you, but you got a lot of Torx here. You got flathead, you have Allen keys, you have a lot of Allen keys. You got obviously your Phillips heads and your square drives, and it looks like you have posi as well. You got quite a bit of drives in here. To me, the biggest things about this kit is its Icon. It's Harbor Freight's best line. The build quality is really good. It's got a nice, nice finely clicking ratchet here. This is a well-made tool. This is a very good bit kit. I like it more like this. I don't really use it much as a ratchet. I use it as the screwdriver, and I put it in the end, and then I just use it like a screwdriver, and it works fine. And I only use this tool when I need some of these oddball bits that are not in my other kits. There's a lot of Allen keys in here, all the way up to what seems to be, let's see if I can read it. Well, they just stamped an 8 on it, so I don't know what 8 means, but it looks like it's about a 3/8 Allen key. So you go up to a fairly good size considering how small the kit is. And there is in here a ball bearing 1/4 inch adapter. So if you had a set of 1/4 inch sockets, like I do here, you could put this one in. And then take your socket, and you're rocking and rolling with a regular socket set. So, it is a less priced little kit that doesn't have the sockets, but it gives you the tool to add the sockets if you have the set of 1/4 inch sockets at home. This is This sells for 40 bucks, $39.99. Now, I've seen it cheaper in other stores. My store, it's $39.99. That is kind of a Harbor Freight weirdness. If you shop around online and change your local store to different areas, you'll see different prices. It's kind of an anomaly with Harbor Freight. Different areas sell things at different prices. And, you know, it is what it is. I live in the Washington, D.C. area, and things are expensive here, so we get the higher price. But I'm doing these today for a reason. Today is Friday the 5th, and the parking lot sale for March is going on right now. It's been going on for Inside Track Club members, and it is now open to the public. Icon ratchets, which both of these kits are included in, are 35% off. $39.99 becomes $25.99. This is a great little kit for 26 bucks. So I would suggest if you can get to your Harbor Freight early Saturday morning, go ahead and get yourself one of these kits, because I really like this kit. This kit is extremely high quality, and you will be happy with it. But let's say you don't have a set of 1/4-inch sockets and it's a need. Well, that's where this kit comes in. This is actually called the 1/4 drive compact socket set, and it is 52 pieces. And what did they do here, ladies and gentlemen? Well, they kind of give you almost the same ratchet. I'll talk about that in a minute. But they do add a nice screwdriver grip, so now you have that to go with. They give you a couple of extension bars. This one is truly just an extension. And this one will give you the ability to make this longer. So it has the 1/4-inch on this end to go into here, and it does have the 1/4-inch socket on this end to put something in. Like you could put, that's not a 1/4-inch, you could put any of these bits in here like that and use it like the other one. Now, the one thing this one doesn't do, and why they changed it, I really don't know, but this is no longer a pass-through, so you cannot do the T-handle like you could with this kit. So I think how they resolve that is they give you this, which should give you a little bit more torque. But other than that, it's a ratcheting head, just like the other one. It's a swivel head, and it has a nice tooth count ratchet. I'm putting it near the microphone. I hope you hear this. It's a really nice sounding ratchet. It's a well-made tool. Icon is the top tier. You know, you get a full set of 1/4-inch here. You get a swivel. You get a nice swivel. You get the extension. You get a smaller extension. So you have two extensions. You get the extension for the ratchet, which I'm just going to keep on there. And then you get a set of metric and SAE bits. In SAE, you go from 3/16 to 9/16, and you go from 5 to 14 millimeter on the metric. So you have a very complete set of sockets in here, as well as you can see, the whole set of Allen keys, slotted, Phillips head, and Torx. So you get all of the bits you get in this one, plus the sockets. So this is really a complete set. It is well made. You know, you have the swivel, you got the extensions, you got a complete set of sockets. You know, and I just think it's a great kit. This kit would be perfect in you know, the glove box of your truck. You know, and you could do a lot of repair work with this thing. It's to me a very good kit of tools. This would be wonderful in the saddlebags of your motorcycle. A lot of Allen here. Allen all the way up to well, it looks like 3/8. So you know, my Harley is almost all Allen keys. So you guys that ride bikes, now my Harley's a 2006. It's 20 years old. I can't believe it's 20 years old, but it is. You guys with newer bikes, are they still doing mostly Allen keys, or have they changed? Mine has a lot of Allen on it, so this would be a great kit for the saddlebags of my bike. Your mileage may vary there, but it's a great kit of tools. Icon is well made. Price here is up there, 85 bucks at my store. I've seen it at 80, but today, tomorrow, and Sunday, 35% off, which means 55 1/4. That's a pretty good deal for this thing. So I would say get your butt over to Harbor Freight and grab one of these kits this weekend if you're interested, because they don't go 35% off all that often. These are really good kits. They're not for everybody, but if you really are into some nice, well-made tools, this is probably as well-made as it's going to get for these bit sets that I'm doing. So that's the Icon kits. Tomorrow, we have the last of this whole series, and it's this guy here, which is the Work Pro. You're going to be surprised about this one. I like this tool. We'll talk about it tomorrow.